Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term shelf life for the inventory. Shelf life is the recommended maximum life for which the product or fresh harvested produce can be stored, during which the defined quality of a specified proportion of the goods remains acceptable under expected conditions of distribution, storage, and display. According to US Department of Agriculture, canned foods are safe indefinitely as long as they are not exposed to freezing temperature or temperature above 90°F. If the cans look okay, they are safe to use. Discard the cans that are dented, rusted, or swollen. High acid canned foods will keep their best quality for 12 to 18 months, whereas low acid canned food for 2 to 5 years. Sell by date is a less ambiguous term for what is often referred to as an expiration date. Most food is still edible after the expiration date. A product that has passed its shelf life might still be safe, but quality is no longer guaranteed. In most of the food store, waste is minimized by using stock rotation, which involves moving product with the earliest sell by date from the warehouse to the sales area and then to the front of the shelf, so that most shopper will pick them up first, like FIFO, first in first out way. Some stores can be fined for selling out of date product. Most, if not, would have to mark such product down as wasted, resulting in financial loss. Shelf life depends on the degradation mechanism of specific product. Most can be influenced by several factors like exposure to light, heat, moisture, transmission of gases, and contamination by things such as microorganisms. Product quality is often mathematically modeled around a parameter. For some foods, health issues are important in determining the shelf life. Bacterial contamination are ubiquitous, and foods left unused too long will often be contaminated by substantial amount of bacterial colonies and become dangerous to eat, leading to food poisoning. However, shelf life alone is not an accurate indicator of how long the food can be safely stored. For example, pasteurized milk can remain fresh for 5 days after its sell by date if it is refrigerated properly. However, improper storage of milk may result in bacterial contamination or spoilage before the expiration date. The expiration date for pharmaceuticals specifies the date the manufacturer guarantees that full potency and safety of the drug. A study conducted by US Food and Drug Administration covered over 100 drugs, prescription and over the counter. The study shows that about 90% of them were safe and effective as long as 15 years past their expiration date. In actual manufacturing environment, we face a similar problem. For example, the seals, oil or paint can have a limited life period. So we follow all these methods like FIFO, first in, first out.